Hello class 10. Today I am going to start with this topic, methods of contraception, in chapter 15. Okay. Now first method, the common method of contraception are as follows: hormonal control, barrier method, and intrauterine devices, also called IUDs, and surgical methods. Now in hormonal method pills we are using for the protection for the to control the childbirth. Here various hormonal preparations come in the form of tablet or pills, commonly called contraceptive pills. These type of pills are called contraceptive pills. Contraceptive pills. These hormones prevent the release of the egg from the ovary. These contraceptive pills, what is the function of this pill? To stop or to prevent the release of egg from the ovary, ठीक है. इस पिल का क्या काम है? ये एग को ओवरी से बाहर निकलने नहीं देता है, तो इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन. So this type of pills also called contraceptive pills. It prevent the release of egg from the ovary. Now second one is barrier method. Here Nirod condom is used by men. This is made of latex rubber sheet. This prevent the sperm from being deposited in the vagina. The first one is condom. Second, diaphragms. Third, sperm killing agent. First condom, second diaphragm, third one is sperm killing agent. Also called spermicidal. It is used of condom is used used by men. It is made up of latex, means rubber sheet. It prevents the sperm from being deposited in the vagina. Diaphragm are of a round latex cap and coil spring. These caps can be fitted deep in the vagina of the mouth of the uterus. These caps prevent the entry of the sperm in the uterus. What is the function of this diaphragm? To prevent the entry of the sperm in the uterus. Now third one is sperm killing. Sperm killings, these are chemical placed in the vagina near the cervix which kill the sperm if they are there. What is the function? It prevents the deposition of the prevents the sperm from being deposited in the vagina. Diaphragm, these caps prevent the entry of the sperm into the uterus, and sperm killing agent kill the sperm if they are there. Now intrauterine devices, also called IUDs, commonly used in India, that is Lipiloop, Lipiz loop, Copper T. These are fitted inside the uterus. These do not stop fertilization but prevent the implantation. These prevent implantation. Okay, fertilization occur but it prevent the implantation or the blastocyst or embryo. वहाँ पे जाके implant नहीं हो पाता है. Fertilization occur in this case, IUDs. Surgical method, here hormonal and barrier control fertilization. It prevents fertilization. Here fertilization not occur due to the absence of the egg because it prevents the release of the egg from the ovary. Condom sperm prevent the sperm from being deposited in the vagina, means sperm वहाँ तक जा ही नहीं रहा, means fertilization हो नहीं रहा. Diaphragms also do same thing. These can prevent the entry of the sperm in the uterus so that fertilization not occur. Sperm killing agent kill sperm, fertilization not occur. But here in the case of IUDs, fertilization occur but prevent implantation. Implantation नहीं होगा, fertilization तक का process हो जाएगा, उसके बाद these IUDs prevent implantation. Now next one is surgical method. Here two, first one for the female and second one for the male. First one is called tubectomy. For females. इसमें क्या करते हैं? ट्यूबेक्टोमी में suppose this one is uterus, this one is fallopian tube. Okay, cervix and vagina. एंड हियर दिस वन इज फैलोपियन ट्यूब. यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, ट्यूब को यहाँ से कट कर देते हैं एंड ट्यूब यहाँ से कट कर दिया और यहाँ पे इसको सर्जिकली क्लोज कर दिया यहाँ से, एंड सो दैट इट प्रिवेंट्स द entry of the egg from the ovary. Okay, tubectomy. In this the abdomen is open and the fallopian tube क्या कट कर देते हैं, fallopian tube और oviduct. ठीक है, oviduct और fallopian tube are cut and ligated, tied with nylon thread to close passage of the egg. यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, by this tubectomy close passage of egg. passage of एग. यहाँ से क्या होता है, एग यहाँ से रिलीज होता है फ्रॉम द ओवरी और यहाँ से जाता है टू द यूट्रस. बट यहाँ पे अगर हम इसको ही क्लोज कर देंगे तो एग अंदर फर्दर एंटर नहीं कर पाएगा इन फैलोपियन ट्यूब और फर्टिलाइजेशन नॉट अकर. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज वैसेक्टोमी इन मेल्स. स्पर्म डक्ट को यहाँ पे कट करते हैं. वैसेक्टोमी इन मेल्स फॉर मेल्स. Okay, in this surgery small cut is made in the scrotum. Vas deferens sperm duct from each testis is ligated and a small piece between the two ligatures is removed. See here in this diagram, suppose this one is testis. ठीक है, sperm duct यहाँ से जाता है और यहाँ पे आता है पेनिस में. This one is penis, this one is testis. तो यहाँ से हम क्या कर देते हैं, कट कर देते हैं दिस स्पर्म डक्ट. कट के यहाँ से कट कर दिया तो स्पर्म रिलीज नहीं होता है इनटू द पेनिस. ओके, दिस सर्जरी इज इजियर, क्विकर एंड सेफर, सो इट इज रिकमेंडेड दैट द बिटवीन द कपल it is better if the husband get operated. This operation has no harmful effect on the manliness of any kind or nor it reduce the pleasure of intercourse or libido. Now next one is MTP. Now fifth part of this method of contraception. Fifth part of this contraception, that is MTP. MTP, medical termination of pregnancy or also induced abortion, also called induced abortion. और MTP का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy, also called induced abortion. Also called induced abortion. If the woman has somehow become pregnant and the couple does not want to have any child, have the child, or if there is definite evidence of any serious genetic diseases in the embryo based on a special test, then the fetus can be removed. This method should be considered a contraceptive method, but it is a last step that can be taken. This operation, forced operation, should be performed only by a trained doctor at a hospital. Abortion is legally permitted only within a 5 month. Within a 5 month of pregnancy, and can be requested by any desirous female at any government hospital at no cost. For this, even husband consent, it's not necessary. Okay, now here is a progress check. State whether the following statements are true or false. If false, write the correct word for the on which one which is wrong. Some vitamin preparation prevent the release of the egg from the ovary. No, it's not a vitamin, it's a hormonal preparation. First one क्या अंडरलाइन करेंगे, विटामिन, इट्स फॉल्स. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, हार्मोनल प्रिपरेशन. यूज ऑफ कंडोम फॉर कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन इज अ बैरियर मेथड. यस, इज राइट, ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, IUDs prevent implantation of embryo in vagina. Yes, true. Tubectomy is performed on females. Yes, true. Write the full form of MTP. In what circumstances it recommended. MTP का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, दैट इज मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी And circumstances, evidence of any serious genetic disease in the embryo based on a special test, then the fetus can be removed. Okay. Now here are some questions. Do it in your notebook. Give the technical term for the statistical study of human population of a region, that is demography. Name two surgical technique for the human male, that is vasectomy, and for the human female, that is tubectomy, that can be used to prevent pregnancy. Tubectomy and vasectomy. Write true or false here. Vasectomy is a surgical method of sterilization in the human males. True. Vasectomy, tubectomy is placing of a diaphragm on the cervix is false. Okay. And now define the following also. Do it in your notebook. Thank you, class.